Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple AirPod Pros that I picked up from TEMU. All right guys, so I did it again. I could not help myself. I picked up another pair of replica Apple AirPod Pros off TEMU. So yeah, I couldn't help myself. Price on these were just right around 13 bucks. I checked out the ad and it said they're supposed to work more like the originals as far as like connecting to your iPhone. You're supposed to be able to just open the lid and your iPhone will see it and you connect and you're good to go. So in this video, we'll unbox these. We'll check out what we get inside the box. We'll check out how they fit and sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. All right, so once again, they come in this white box. We've got the earbuds front and center. Box is very minimal. We got some stuff in the back here. Another picture of the earbuds with the case. Once again, these ones are supposed to work similar to the originals. And yeah, we'll open this up and we'll see if it's true or not. And we'll see if they're worth the 13 bucks. Then off to the side. So first thing, we've got an instruction manual. Put that off to the side. We've got the earbuds. Right out the gate, these feel a lot more heftier than those other pair that I reviewed earlier. I like that. These feel solid. Take a look at that later. See what else we get. Get a lanyard because got a spot for that here on the side. Looks so cool. Got your lanyard, and then we've got your charging cable, USB-A to Lightning. So very nice. And you get extra ear tips right out the gate. This one, the packaging is much more nicer. It's more premium feeling, not so generic, because yeah, all this stuff is nicely packaged. Very cool. So we'll set all that off to the side, and this is what we came to see. This bad boy feels good. It feels, the plastic doesn't feel cheap. It feels like my real AirPods, to tell you the truth. These feel solid. These feel like the real deals. So it's made out of a hard plastic. It's shiny, just like originals. And again, it feels solid. Got a nice matte finish metal hinge in the back, and you've got your button that you press to connect to your phone. Got your lightning port. Again, you've got a little spot for that lanyard. Again, it feels solid, guys. So let's see if my phone finds this. So we open it up, there's a little chime. It didn't do the little animation like the original ones do, but there it is. The P5 came through real quick. So let's pair that. You got that chime once again. So we are paired. P5 up top. Very nice, nice and quick. And yeah, let's take a look at these earbuds. So they feel solid in hand, guys. They don't feel cheap at all. And they've got a flat spot for when you squeeze, because these aren't touch, these are squeeze like the originals. You've got some left branding right there. Got the right branding on this one. Hopefully you guys can see. But these feel solid, guys. They look they look legit. So let's see how they feel and how they look in ear. So I'm assuming these are medium-sized ear tips because typically that's what you get outside the box. You've got some extra ones in that box earlier, so I'm assuming those must be small and large. But for me, they fit me fine with these mediums, I'm guessing. So I've got this installed, or I've got them connected to my phone. And let's see how this sounds. Yo! These are nice. I've got them at half power and they are loud. Got plenty of bass. It might be a little bit on the bass heavy side, and I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. They've got some heft to them. They don't feel cheap at all. So I got a old school song playing. Soulja Boys, turn my swag on. If you know, this beat is fire. I don't really care much about Soulja Boy, but this beat is fire. LED light right there, like the OGs, like the originals. Yeah, guys, I'm liking these. They feel good in ear. I've got no like hot spots, no pressure anywhere. They feel good. Straight up pickup, man. No question. Yo, these are amazing. These are amazing. No joke. I'll definitely put up a link for you guys because to me, they feel solid. They don't feel cheap. And I'm assuming the battery life and everything is just like the originals. But let me double check, man. Let me double check real quick. They look pretty sick. They feel decent. Or they feel good in ear. Again, no hot spots. They feel good. This is what they look like. I'll drop a link on these. So we've got 6 to 8 hours of playtime. They've got a 300 milliamp battery, and to charge it up takes about an hour and a half, it says. So not bad. And these are Bluetooth 5.3. So I think that's the latest Bluetooth. So you're gonna get a nice crisp connection. And let's see here. It says it's got a game, low latency game mode. So I'm gonna have to try that out. They feel rock solid. They feel really good. Not like those cheap $5 ones. Spend a little more, get these. These feel legit. Hopefully they last because they sound very good. They sound really good. I don't see anything about their IPX rating or anything like that. Yeah, so I would keep these away from water. I'm sure sweat isn't gonna be a problem, but you don't want these to get dropped in a puddle or anything like that, or if you're out in the rain, you don't want the case getting waterlogged and stuff like that. But yeah, so let me go over the features again. Once again, we've got Bluetooth 5.3. We've got a 300 milliamp battery, charging time of 1.5 hours. We got a talk time of 6 to 7 hours, standby time of 360 days. I don't know about that. Music time, 6 to 8 hours. And then we've got a transmission distance of 15 meters. Once again, it's Bluetooth 5.3. It doesn't tell me what size drivers are in these things, but yo, they are loud. I had them just at like half power and they were loud. Plenty of bass, once again, and it was clear audio. It sounded really good. So yeah, I will try these out, guys, for a little bit and see if anything changes. So far, so good. They sound really good. They fit really good. And again, this case feels solid. It feels like the originals. And that's one thing I forgot. Let's see. Got a nice snap to the closing, and they are magnetized. Let's do a magnet check, see how well these things hold the earbuds. Yo, they pass. You saw that. They passed. You saw that. They didn't pop out. Yo, 13 bucks, guys. This is amazing. These are amazing. So far, hopefully nothing changes, but so far, these are fire. gonna be my thumbnail right there, guys. So if you ask me, these are definitely a pickup. I have no problems pointing you guys or giving you guys the link to these, because I think they are a solid pickup for that $13 price point. And they sound great, guys. They sound great. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button, because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.